Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make beer shampoo. First, pour 1 cup of your favorite beer into a saucepan. Bring it to a boil and let it simmer for about 15 minutes. This step is crucial because it reduces the beer's volume by 1/4, removing the alcohol that can dry out your hair. What's left are the beneficial nutrients. Once reduced, allow the beer to cool completely before moving to the next step. This ensures the mixture combines properly. Now that your beer has cooled, it's time to combine it with your shampoo base. Take 1/2 cup of a mild, unscented shampoo, something gentle for your hair. Slowly pour the reduced beer into the shampoo, stirring continuously. For an added boost of moisture and shine, incorporate 1 tablespoon of jojoba oil. Mix everything gently until you have a smooth, consistent blend. Avoid vigorous shaking to prevent excessive foam. To give your beer shampoo a delightful scent and additional benefits, add about 10 to 15 drops of your favorite essential oil. Lavender, rosemary, or peppermint are excellent choices, known for promoting healthy hair. Stir the essential oils in thoroughly. Once mixed, carefully pour your homemade beer shampoo into a clean, airtight bottle. A pump dispenser works wonderfully for easy use. Store it in a cool, dark place to maintain its freshness and efficacy. Using your new beer shampoo is just like using any other. Simply apply a small amount to wet hair, massage it into your scalp, and work it through to the ends. Rinse thoroughly with water. With regular use, you can expect to see improved hair volume, enhanced shine, and a healthier scalp. Many people find their hair feels softer and more manageable. For those who love to read anywhere, check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite, as well as other great deals. Enjoy your revitalized hair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.